questions right here. So we have in here the cell organelle provides energy. Or the energy was the battery. Which one was that? That was the mitochondria. It can be the lysosome. We said that's the garbage can. It cannot be the ribosome. That one produces proteins. Right? And the Golgi apparatus was the post office, so it can't be that one either. So the next one in here says number 2, the cell organelle. This cell organelle gives a structure and shape to the cell. Oh, shape and structure. Then that has to be the bones. And the bones, we said, they are going to be the tubes right here, the tubes. So right there, therefore, the answer is going to be B. Why not letter A? Because peroxisomes, we said that's for hydrogen peroxide. That's for toxic, right? Smooth endoplasmic, that was for the lipids, we said, right? And the nucleus can be that because the nucleus controls everything that's going on in the cell. So the next one says in here, this cell organelle, modifies or processes the protein. So modifies, that's got to be where the Golgi apparatus, right? The Golgi was the post office. It cannot be the ribosome because the ribosome produces the protein. It doesn't modify them. The central is a pair of scissors, so it can't be that. And we said the mitochondria is the battery. That's for energy, so it can't be that either. So the next one it says in here, this cell organelle creates or produces proteins. Oh, there you go. So the produces proteins, then it has to be letter C, the ribosome. It can be the Golgi because the Golgi modifies the proteins. It can be the lysosome because we said lysosome is the garbage can. It cannot be peroxisome because that's the garbage can for toxic waste. Next one, it says this cell organelle participates only during the cell division. Oh, that was the pair of scissors. The pair of scissors was the centriole. So this should be the answer. Centrioles. It cannot be the mitochondria. We said that's the battery. It cannot be the peroxisome because the peroxisome is for the toxic waste. And it cannot be the ROF because remember we said ROF with ribosomes, right? The ROF is the one that transports the proteins produced by the ribosomes. So it cannot be that. So the answer for number 5 would be letter